Hi guys, welcome to the very first video of my YouTube channel. I am Pratik Khattar, a digital marketer, a freelancer and a learner. On this channel, I'll be sharing everything digital, but today's topic is how to install Facebook Pixel to get effective results. So without much further ado, let's get straight into it. Nobody's aim is to just create a campaign, but to get better results out of it. By results, I mean conversions. To measure these conversions, you need Facebook Pixel to give you analytics, to give you real-time data and everything. Facebook Pixel is very similar to Google Analytics. Google Analytics, I'll give you an example. Suppose if you're running a Facebook ad campaign, Facebook Pixels installed can do wonders. Now, on the other hand, if you have to run search ad campaign, Google Analytics will be even better. It will give you real-time data and all the things that you need. Today, I'll strictly stick to Facebook Pixel. Now, what is Facebook Pixel? Facebook Pixel is a bit of JavaScript code that you need to install on your website. There is no rocket science. You don't have to know coding to do that. It's very simple. I'll tell you in a moment how to do it practically. Just to make you understand better, you can see Facebook Pixel as a watchman. It keeps a record of everyone coming in on your website or going out of your website, just as a watchman who keeps record of every person coming into your society and going out of the society, just the exact same way. Now moving on to our computer screen, you need to log into your Facebook account. Now when you the right hand side, you see create option. Click on it, click add. Now you'll be directed to ads manager. Now on the left hand side, you see your personal account, your personal ad account, business tools. Click on it and you'll see events manager. I can see it on the shortcuts, but if you don't see it, don't worry. You can just scroll down. There you'll see events manager. Now click on it. Now on the screen, you can see my Facebook Pixel is already installed. Don't worry. Instead of this blue big button, you'll see green big button. Create pixel. You have to do absolutely nothing. You just have to fill in a name. Like I have filled my name, Pratik Khattar's Pixel. Now you just have to do that and you'll be on par with me. Now click on continue pixel setup. You will see two options. Use a partner integration or manually add pixel code. Now if you click on partner integration, you'll see several websites like Shopify, Drupal, OpenCart, Shopline, Kajabi, or even WordPress if you scroll down. I personally prefer to install this code manually. It's no rocket science, trust. You just have to copy this base code. Now go to your WordPress website. Go to your dashboard. Now on the left hand side, you'll see several options. Choose plugins, add new, now Facebook has their own pixel code. You can either install that, but you can see it has a very low rating. I don't know the reason why, but still I prefer to use headers and footers just so that I have the liberty to install more codes, in the header section. With Facebook, you can only install one Facebook code. Now click on install, click on activate. Now it's activated. You just have to go to settings, insert headers and footers. Now you see scripts and header, right? Go back to your code. Copy it again. It clearly mentions to add it to your header section of your website. Copy the code again. Go back to your insert headers and footers. Paste the code. Check again if it's on the header section, if you have pasted correctly. Now click on save. Now you need an extension, Facebook Helper Chrome extension. You'll get the first option. If you search on Google, you'll get the first option. Just open it, an ad to your extension, to your Chrome browser. Alright. Now, if you go back to your WordPress website, you will see some activity on the right hand side, this green button. Now, page view is already pre-installed, pre-automated. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to set any events or so. Now your Facebook pixel is activated, you can see that. Now go back to your account, your Facebook pixel account, just click on refresh. Click on add events from the pixel, open event tool. Now you just have to copy your URL, your website URL, copy it, paste this code on your events, open website, click on next, get started. Now you'll get several options like track new button or track a URL. Click on track new button, you'll see options box, right? You see the blue box, right? Now I'll just register now, I'll click on event, set an event. Let's say lead, confirm. Just to show you guys, I'll track a new button, which is here, watch video. Watch video, I'll select event, something like, let's say, view content. It seems fine. Now you can add even a track button. Now you can even add track button to your contact site as lead, clearly. Now you can also track a URL. Just to show you guys an example, click on contacts. I'll go to my contact page. I'll just copy and paste the URL. It's automatically pasted. So you don't need to do anything. Just select an event, which is leads, confirm. Now you see everything that I've added. Don't worry, you don't have to save anything now. You can just simply close your tab, close everything, refresh. Now you can see on overview that page view was active before. Now leads are active, view content is active. Open your WordPress website. Now you'll see there is some activity going on. Two activities. Now when you click on contacts page of your website, now if you go on your contact page of your website, you'll see there is some activity going on. Page speed is, well, better, good, I mean. Now there are two activities, page view activity and lead activity. Now it's recording every single thing. In the coming videos, I'll tell you how to use this Facebook pixel to, retarget, remarket the audience who visited your website or who has shown interest in your website or your work, or even show you how to use it in your ads campaign. Please do not forget to click on subscribe button and please click on the bell icon so you never miss any video. Thank you so much for watching.